Hi Generals, we're working with Adobe Animate today. The first thing that you want to do is go to File, New. We're going to make sure that our artboard or our canvas, our workspace is 1920 by 1080. Remember, it's very important that you set it up correctly. 24 frames per second is great. You're going to click OK. We can always view our window, Control minus, Control plus to zoom in and zoom out. Also for your workspace, I want you to make sure that you are on Classic, okay, so that your timeline is at the top. We are going to create a ClassicTween. So what that is basically some animated text starting from here, the left side of your artboard, and it's going to move across the workspace, okay? So we need to enter a keyframe. We're going to do that around frame 30. Right-click, insert frame. Now you notice that it put a circle here, an empty circle. That is representing a keyframe. So at this keyframe, we are going to insert some text. So we just put text here. And you can change the size right here and the font over here in the character properties panel. Okay, so this is a ClassicTween. I'm going to select the selection tool and sort of center that, but also for this keyframe, notice that it turned black now. Now something is in that keyframe. I want it to start off screen. So it will start off screen and then I want it to move across, and by the time it gets over here to about frame 28, insert keyframe. By the time it gets over here, I want it to be across the screen, okay? So you know you're on the right track when you click here, and then you click here, and they bounce back and forth. But we haven't animated it yet, okay? So in order to animate it across, for it to move by itself across the screen, you're gonna right-click, create ClassicTween. Now you move the timeline header, and you can see the ClassicTween moving across your workspace. Another good thing that I want to remind you of is organization. So for this layer, you can go ahead and name it Classic, because this will be your ClassicTween. And there, you'll also remember what a ClassicTween does. We're just moving it right across the screen. That's your first one. Thank you so much.